We're gonna make pencil case. First bottle. Design. Third, color paper. Fourth, scotch tape. Fifth, scissors. Let's take it out this plastic. Let's cut it. Ganito?
Yes.
Ganito pwede. Pagtapos naman po, di-design na natin.
Ella, which one color?
Purple. Violet. So guys, ilanggan natin siya ng design. So guys, babalutan na po. So guys, finish na natin dikitin. Guys, this is so nice. Look at that. Guys, parang gagawa tayo ng Starbucks na pencil case. Look at that guy. It's so pretty. Huh? We're gonna make heart with this paper. Yung heart parang hindi na basic. So, heart pa to?
Yes.
Heart pa to? Ayan. Heart 2. So guys, this is my heart. Let's go and put it there. So guys, heart ulit. Tapi po kasi to. So, let's cut it. Ano, hindi na to pangit. Mana? No. So, my heart is cute. Let's gonna make bilog. Hawakan na naman ito, guys. Okay na ba ito? Okay na ito? So guys, this is my holder for my pencil case. Bye-bye. Guys, this is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.